it was a set notion that was there in the industry earlier, that models can't act. But now times have changed, and I think half the reason why people are getting into modeling is using that as a stepping stone of getting into Bollywood, which obviously means that they do have the conviction, the confidence, and the ability to act, and that's why they're doing that.
But when it comes to the success ratio, like you have a film which is Julie, which is on you, while compared to the male counterparts, they wouldn't have such a thing.
I don't know. I don't know if I should be making any statements like these, but yeah, maybe, And of course, being a fresh face, being a girl, and getting into the industry is far more easier than being a male and getting into the industry. But once you are accepted as a female, your career is short-lived, as opposed to you being accepted as a male, where your career is quite long drawn. So that's the difference, One of the ways, either while coming in or while it's coming to an end, you have to pay the price.
चलिए, अब तक का आपने कहा बॉलीवुड में सफ़र स्मूथ रहा है, अभी आगे का सफ़र एज एन पीपल नाउ वंस प्रॉब्ली आप जूली करेंगी तो और प्रोड्यूसर्स और डायरेक्टर्स वुड कम अप विथ similar roles to you and say कि आप यहाँ पे भीगे बारिश में and all that. How are you going to tackle that image? Because then you said that you would also want to do a role which is, of a simple girl.
Mm-hmm. No, it's not. I'm not here. I'm not battling with any sort of image. Of course, the thing is that we started with this interview where you said that people like us get a glamorous image. So fine, but it still does not, it's not a taboo from, it's not stopping you from acting, or it's not stopping you from doing something you want to do. I mean, just because you've got a glamorous image does not mean that, you can't wear a salwar kameez and play somebody who's extremely normal. Of course you can, but you have to wait for the right kind of scripts to come your way. And I'm going to do something that excites me. I mean, it could be starting from playing a blind girl going up to playing a glamorous role. It could be anything. So just let's see.